Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of RV Tips and Trips. Today I want to talk to you again about tires. Oh my gosh, I am so sick and tired of tires. It is just like really unbelievable. Well, this time for the truck, I bought tires at Tire Kingdom in Holiday, Florida a little over a year ago, actually January 2021, and this is now May, so not that long ago. I only put 14,000 miles on them in what, a year and 4 months, and I got one tire where the tread is chunking off, and another tire where the steel belts are separating, and you can see the tire is all distorted, and I'll show you that. And the other two are kind of like so-so at this point. So I took it back to Tire Kingdom, and those tires are not under warranty. There is no warranty on those tires. Those are Sealant tires. They're rated for 50,000 miles, but there's no guarantee, not from Tire Kingdom anyway, on those tires. So I guess you buy them and buyer beware. I had no clue. I mean, so that was $800 for a set of 4. So just flushed that right down the freaking toilet. Unbelievable. I was aggravated. I was nice to the guys. The guys were nice, but there's only so much they can do, you know. And I spoke with the manager, and it's not like they would replace the tires for free or anything. It's really just absurd. And they said, well, the truck's out of alignment. And I said, well, they were supposed to check the alignment when they installed the tires. And so I just am not going to do business with Tire Kingdom anymore. They're a regional tire network anyway. So I'm going with Firestone. I'm going to spend $1,400, but these tires are guaranteed for 50,000 miles, and I'm getting a lifetime alignment done as well, and then we'll see what happens. I mean, there's nothing wrong with the truck itself. It's the tires. I driving down the highway, and the truck was really shimmying really bad all of a sudden and making loud thumping noises. That was the steel belts separating, and like I said, on the one tire, it was pieces of the tread were just chunking off. So Sealant tires, they had good reviews on them, but beware. I believe it's spelled S-A-L-I-U-N tires. They're actually China made, so, but they make tires for tractor trailers, so I thought they would be okay. So you live and learn. $800 just flushed down the tube. I got a little over a year out of them. So these tires, like I said, guaranteed for, I'm going with the Firestone destination tires, so those are good, and 50,000 mile warranty, and that will be printed on the ticket, and hopefully this won't happen again. All right, so got to get a load of this front tire. Look at this, look at this. That's from the steel belt separation. It's like a lump there, and the tire kind of twists around. And then this rear tire, some of these treads were kind of like chunking off. How can you trust something like this? Absolutely no warranty. But I'll tell you this, when you're driving down the road, and this just happened all of a sudden. You ever see that movie Vacation, where they got all their tires fixed on the car and they were all wobbly? Well, that's the way this feels. So crazy. So we're going to get it taken care of at Firestone, and the heck with Tire Kingdom. Unbelievable. I'm just so ticked off. So we're going to spend about $1,400 and get this right, so I don't have to worry about it. I don't want to get stuck somewhere on the side of the road pulling a fifth wheel. All right, catch you later. So I got new tires with Firestone. I applied for the Firestone credit card because I didn't have the kind of money that I would need to get really decent tires. So I applied, and I got a $2,000 line of credit. which is nice because when you use the Firestone card, you get a 15% discount. Also some other added bennies. So I needed every bit of that $2,000 too, as it turns out. So Firestone was very good. They replaced the tires. They gave me free of charge the roadside or the road hazard insurance. So I got that free of charge. I did a little negotiating as we went along. They showed me that the front brakes were shot. I had 68,000 miles on the truck. Those were the original brakes on the truck. And they said the rear brakes are good, so better than 60% left on the pads there. So the rear brakes were really, really good. So I let them go ahead and replace the front brake pads and the rotors. We got the Firestone Destination tires. Now these are the big ones, you know, the 18-inch wheels. And they run real quiet too. I'm really impressed with how they sound on well, the handling down the road. I got the lifetime alignment, and it's a four-wheel alignment, so that's good. So anytime I need an alignment, it's taken care of for the life of the truck, as long as I own it. So that's a good deal, and I got $30 off that service. And they discounted the brakes a little bit. Like I said, I got 15% off on doing the brake job. So the whole thing came out to like $19.74. Perfect. Squeezed me in the same day that got the tires and got everything done. And the thing that I was impressed with too is they road tested after doing the alignment. The guy wasn't happy with the way it felt, and he redid it. He redid it twice till they nailed the alignment perfectly. So it went up and down on the rack 3 times before they nailed the alignment on it. That's the first time this truck's been aligned too. So Firestone treated me really good, top notch. The one in Oxford, Florida, Tiffany was my salesperson, and she did a really good job. So I'm real happy there so far. So I was treated well. Tire Kingdom, very disappointed there. I mean, I feel like I just totally flushed $800 down the toilet. They were Sealant tires, so they are an off-brand. The reviews on them were good, so I thought they would be okay. No warranty on them whatsoever, so if you do ever look at getting those kind of tires, they don't have any kind of warranty on them, which was really disappointing. If Tire Kingdom had told me, and I got them at Tire Kingdom in Holiday, Florida, if they had told me that these tires do not have any warranty, because I was placing all 4 on the truck at that time, that I probably wouldn't have gotten them. I mean, I don't feel comfortable buying brand new tires, spending that kind of money, and not having any kind of warranty on it. So when I went to Tire Kingdom and they said there's no warranty on them, and those tires definitely had defects, and we called the Tire Kingdom warranty department, and they said no, you know, if in the first year they could do something, but we bought the tires January of 21, so now this is May of 22, so it's just past the year. We only put 14,000 miles on those tires. The tread separation, and then the other one of the other tires, the tread was chunking off, so I didn't feel good about replacing just 2 tires, and they weren't willing to really do much for me as far as, you know, selling me new tires and maybe just charging the difference between what I paid for the other ones and the new ones. Nothing like that at all. So very, very disappointed in Tire Kingdom. So I went with Firestone, figuring, okay, they're a national company, so if I run into a problem anywhere in the country, I can get them taken care of. 50,000 mile warranty on the tires, got the road hazard deal with it, lifetime alignment, we're good. So I plan on bringing the truck in every 6 months, get the oil changed. I'll pay for the oil changes, and then you get free rotation and a free alignment each time. So it's not limited, so it's as needed as far as the alignment. So I am going to send some emails off to Tire Kingdom and see if they do something for me, partially reimburse me. I don't know, but just beware that and if you are getting new tires, you need to ask, do these tires have warranty? I don't care where you go, Goodyear, Firestone, because Firestone sells tires with no warranties on them either, but it's in plain language on the ads on their website. It says no tire, no warranty with it, no mileage warranty with them. The destinations do have a 50,000 mile warranty, so I feel a lot more comfortable there knowing that I got good brakes, good tires. Can you imagine the tire, the one tire looked so bad it was like ballooning out. That's the one that had the steel belt separation, and the tire was all totally distorted. It was like, you know, driving with the wheel was just thumping all over the place, and you steering, it was just all of a sudden horrible. It just happened just like that, just driving down the highway all of a sudden. Thank goodness we were not pulling the fifth wheel at the time, because that could have just blown out, because that tire that had the ballooning going on with it was on the rear. So just bad. I mean, it really upsets me that we had to go through that, but you know what, and they caught the brakes too at Firestone, so now I feel good. Brakes work nice, ride is smooth, so feel good. This is all taken care of. So, laid out, you know, almost $2,000. Nice thing too with that Firestone card is it's 6 months, same as cash, so gonna have to try and pay that off quickly. So just, you know, buyer beware when getting tires. You need to ask the question, what kind of warranty do these tires come with? Because the advertisement through Tire Kingdom, it said that they are 50,000 mile tires, but it didn't say they're warranty for 50,000 miles. So that's, like I said, really disappointing. So, all right, well, that's it for today. So I'll catch you guys in a few days in our next episode. So until then, happy camping. Bye now. Thomas says thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share. Until next time, happy camping.